A piece by Richard Hasen, professor of law at UCLA for Slate, lays out what would happen if the Supreme Court decides against the Voting Rights Act in this case. Quote, if the Supreme Court moves forward with this interpretation, it would be a sea change to voting rights law. It would be an earthquake in politics and make our legislative bodies whiter and our protection for minority voters greatly diminished. Even if the court less drastically says that Section 2 cannot be used to require the second congressional district in this case, such a superficially more minimal ruling would mean the quick unraveling of most Section 2 districts. Because if the facts in Louisiana don't justify drawing a second district, most other Section 2 claims would fail too. Quote, any decision to strike down what's left of the Voting Rights Act could kick off the start of a new civil rights movement and more serious talk of Supreme Court reform in the midst of crucially important midterm elections. Justices fundamentally hostile to the rights of voters place the court increasingly at odds with democracy itself.